look at that replay from the water angle here off the jet ski. Nice first turn, through the bottom turn, got up there vertical. Way softened up, does the swoop down where he's sticking with the white water. You can see she wants to go on the forehand to do that big finishing maneuver, but that right on the inside just didn't pan out with the open wall.
Savannah with a 3.93 does not replace her score of a 4.77. Your leader still.
Checking in though, Lakey Peterson, Bianca Bagnock, and Alessa Quizon. Round 3, Heat 1. A non-elimination round where we know first in that heat goes into the quarterfinals. Last of red, 5.0. Red, you need a 5.57 still. Blue having a look. Laura trying to work on the 4.23. She gets the forehand snap there on the closeout. She might stick with this one. And this little rip right here where it kind of reforms into the right-hander, and yeah, she's going to get it. Look at this thing. Off the bottom. And just a little bit where it looked like it was going to go steep, and the thing just went.
Well, to the previous heats, Savannah Lena, very busy, heat waves written, air vibes there. Best wave still at 5.67, her opening wave. Then a 5.0 on wave number 6. Her two-wave total 10.67. The lower end of 7.0 and a 4.23, still pretty close. Lower end of 11.23 two-wave total. Take a look at our Super Blue. Got another wave number 6. Number 3, 4 to the inside.
Let the scores shuffle out, and we'll see if anything is going to be keeper status. Just under 25 minutes, checking in Carissa, Coco, and Joanne. Heat 2, round 3. So here's a replay.
A lot of in the news. Are they allowed to surf there yet? Wasn't there a ban on surfing for a bit in all the beaches?
July 2015, there was a ban on swimming and surfing